In another videos we have talked about how to find appropriate clients, how to make your niche, how to select your niche, your industry niche, your skill niche. And in this video we will talk about how to write a very specific and customized cover letter which will help your clients to discover who a serious freelancer or the contractor is. And in this video we will talk about the video proposals as well. So for example, this is the client from United States. As you can see here, we have talked about the features and selection process of the clients before in our another video. So first of all, before writing a cover letter, you should have to have the name of your client, which you can find here in the previous client history. You can see here the great experience, Kyle was professional. So this is the client's name, right? So you can, in the start of the cover letter, you can write hi Kyle, like that. I have written the cover letter here. And after writing the name of the client, these two initial lines are very eye-catching, because when the client sees 85 to 100 proposals, and these clients don't have the time to click and see all of your profile. Only initial two lines are very important, because client sees only two lines when he sees the 85 to 100 proposals. So this should be the very eye-catching. This should show that you have read the client's job description. And please don't copy paste the cover letter everywhere, because sometimes Upwork automatically hide your proposal from the client's history. So I have made this very customized. I have written that I may definitely help you grow your natural products brand in Fortune 100 retailers, because the client in initial lines have talked about the natural products in Fortune 100 retailers, right? So I have customized this line, and after that I have given some of my short introduction here, and after that I have copied and pasted the keywords from the client's job description here. Like as you can see, create brand assets, include packaging, brochure, printed. So I simply copied, pasted and changed some words here to make it more suitable with my lines. And also I have given I went 1 mile ahead of other freelancers and made a video proposal. So after making the video proposal using the Camtasia, I am right now recording this video using the Camtasia 3. You can use other other softwares like the ScreenFlow. So I have recorded a video. I will show you here. When the user or the client will click here, he will get this video link and he can see my customized video proposal out of YouTube. So this is, please listen this. So this is the customized video proposal, where I am talking about the client project and its description, and highlighting many things here, and showing my portfolio in the above tabs here. You can make your customized portfolio. Please include the very specific call to action and ask client to share his Skype ID. Ask client to give him a free phone consultation, because the phone consultation is very important. Ask client that you will get very clear objectives from the client and very clear pricing when your client talk with you on phone. So ask client to share his Skype ID, share your portfolios, and as you can see here. So come to the proposal again, and as you can see, this all cover letter is totally customized for the client. At the very bottom, I have asked client to have a free phone consultation via Skype. This is the call to action. You should have include that. And there is a software named Calendly. If you want your client should have some meeting set up for 15 minutes, you can go to calendly.com and register there and make a link for 15 minutes meeting with your client and paste in your cover letter. At the end, write your name, and if you have any proposal or websites, please include there. So this is the video proposal and customized cover letter you can include for your client. So I hope that will help you a lot in getting the high paying clients. Thank you.